Good morning everybody. In this video, we will study about the climate of Sahara Desert. Now, as you know that deserts are having extreme climates, either it is extreme hot or extreme cold. So here the Sahara Desert is very hot. So the climate can be characterized as scorching hot. Scorching hot means it's very hot, like it's red color hot, or we can call it as baking hot. So it's very hot. And parched dry. Parched dry means it's very dry. So there is very less content of moisture. So the atmosphere is very dry. And the moisture cannot accumulate, because as soon as the moisture starts accumulating, it again evaporates due to very much hot. And since rainy season is very short, so almost no rainy season, so the clouds do not have any signs of rain, so the clouds are always clear, and or the sky almost there is no cloud, like cloudless and clear, and the moisture evaporates faster than it accumulates because of very hot. Now the days are also very hot, so the temperature reaches up to 50 degree, so the temperature may soar up to 50 degree, and but night temperature is very cold, and it comes up to 0 degree. So when the temperature reaches up to almost 50 degree, so the sand also gets heated very fast, and you know that land gets very heated very fast, and cool also very fast. So the sands get heated very fast, and since there are rocks or rocky plateaus, so those also get heated very fast. And the heat of the sand and the rock will make the nearby area also very hot. So it heating up the sand and the bare rock, and which in turn radiates the heat to the surrounding areas, and the surrounding areas also becomes very hot. Now the highest temperature was recorded in 1920 in a place in Sahara Desert called Al Ajizia, and Al Ajizia is situated in the south of Tripoli, Libya, and it recorded almost 57.7 degree Celsius, which is very hot. And nights are very cold. The temperature may reach drop up to 0 degree also. So the sand heats up very quickly also, and it cools also very quickly. Now this Sahara Desert, which we see now as one of the largest deserts of the world, it was not the same in olden days, because there are some cave paintings which we can see in the Sahara Desert, which in the paintings this area is shown as full of water, and there are crocodiles in the water. So this shows that this area was having water at one point of time. Then moreover, this area was also having some animals which are usually not found in desert. So animals like elephant, giraffe, then lion, ostriches, sheep, cattle, goats were also common in these areas. So this shows that Sahara Desert was once a lush green area, and later on, because of climate change, it has converted into a desert.